In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Freshsales to Gmail. This process will only take a few minutes, and by the end, you'll have a seamless integration between your Freshsales account and your Gmail. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Freshsales website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Login button situated in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take a moment to type your email, hit Continue, and proceed to log into your account. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a small icon representing your profile. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Personal Settings. This section is the gateway to tailoring Freshsales to your needs, and in this case, it's where we'll make the connection to Gmail. Once you're in Personal Settings, search for the Connect Email tab. It might take a moment to locate, but it's an essential part of this setup. Click on it to open up a new set of options. Here you will see different email services that Freshsales can connect to. Since we are specifically connecting Gmail, click on the Gmail icon. Now, you will be directed to a familiar Google sign-in page. It's time to choose the Gmail account that you wish to connect to Freshsales. If you're managing multiple accounts, ensure you pick the correct one to avoid any mismatches in your integrations. Once you've selected your account, the next step is crucial. You need to grant permissions to Freshsales to access your Gmail account. This step is necessary to establish a two-way connection, ensuring that both your Freshsales and Gmail can communicate efficiently. Go through the permission requests carefully, and when you're comfortable, click Allow to grant the access. After you've granted permissions, the connection process will begin. This is where you might have to exercise a little patience. Usually, this doesn't take long, but it's important to wait for the connection to complete. Once it's done, you'll receive a confirmation. And there you have it. Your Freshsales is now connected to your Gmail account. This seamless integration will streamline your workflow, ensuring that all your communications are synchronized and accessible from both Freshsales and Gmail. It's a small setup that brings significant time saving and efficiency to your everyday operations. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to check out more videos if you found this helpful. Happy integrating!